Ever found yourself wrestling with streaky windows or struggling to reach those high, hard-to-reach panes? Well, if you answered yes to either of these questions, then you've stumbled upon the perfect guide. Welcome to the world of window cleaning, an often underappreciated realm of household tasks that can be quite daunting in reality. On the surface, it may seem like a straightforward chore, merely requiring a cloth and some soap. But anyone who has ever battled wavy streaks or climbed onto precarious surfaces just to reach that one stubborn spot knows otherwise. Indeed, the struggle is real, as they say, and quite a universal one at that. From the young college student in their first apartment to the busy parent trying to maintain a neat home amidst the chaos, the challenge of maintaining squeaky clean windows is one we've all faced at some point. It's a task that, while seemingly simple, can quickly transform into an uphill battle. But there's a silver lining to this cloud, a ray of hope in this otherwise scenario, and that is the fact that there are ways to make this task easier, ways that are not only effective but surprisingly simple. Yes, you heard it right. So if you've been facing the onslaught of dirty windows and feeling overwhelmed, we have good news for you. We've scoured the depths of the internet, rummaged through countless home cleaning forums, and even consulted with a few professional window cleaners to bring you some excellent tips and tricks. Fret not, for today, we delve into some amazing and surprising window cleaning hacks that will turn this task into a breeze. First up, introducing an all-time classic favorite we all know, vinegar. This humble yet versatile household mainstay is not merely reserved for pickling cucumbers, adding tang to your salads. No, it's so much more than that. Vinegar, believe it or not, is also a thoroughly natural, non-toxic alternative for cleaning your windows, effectively eliminating smudges and dirt, leaving them gleaming and crystal clear. Now, you might be wondering how to utilize this kitchen staple for your window upkeep. Well, it's pretty straightforward. Here's a simple step-by-step guide so you can do it yourself at home. Begin by mixing together a solution of 1 part distilled white vinegar to 2 parts warm distilled water. This ratio will provide a potent solution that is strong enough to cut through the grime, but gentle enough not to harm your windows. Now, when it comes to application, you have a couple of options. You can dip a soft sponge into mixture and gently scrub the window. Alternatively, you can pour the solution into a spray bottle and liberally spritz it onto the glass. Once the solution is applied, use a lint-free cloth or, for best results, a squeegee to wipe the window clean. The vinegar will dissolve the stubborn dirt and grime while the water will rinse it away. As you wipe, you'll notice how effortlessly the solution works, leaving no streaks behind. And just like that, you're done. Not only is method simple and effective, but it's also eco-friendly. It's a small step you can take to lessen your carbon footprint while ensuring a spotless shine. That's it. Simple, effective, and eco-friendly. Next on the list, an unexpected hero, black tea. This humble product found in nearly every household across the globe has more to offer than just a comforting hot beverage. Essentially, black tea is a magical potion that serves as a brilliant cleaning agent for your windows. Lies in the tannic acid that it contains. Tannic acid is a polyphenolic compound that has an uncanny ability of cutting through stubborn dirt and grime, leaving your windows gleaming like never before. This makes it an impressively potent and eco-friendly alternative to the harsh, chemical-laden products that we often resort to for cleaning chores. To harness this unexpected power of black tea, the process is quite simple and straightforward, requiring nothing more than the tea itself and a soft piece of cloth. It begins with brewing a strong black tea, so strong that it almost mirrors the darkness of a moonless night. The stronger the brew, the more effective our cleaning solution. Once brewed, you need to let the tea cool down, for a hot solution might not be safe to handle. Patience is key here, as the perfect temperature not only ensures safety, but also optimizes the effectiveness of tannic acid. When the tea is cooled down sufficiently, take a soft cloth, preferably one that is non-abrasive to prevent any potential damage to your windows. Dip this cloth into the cooled black tea solution, soak up a reasonable amount, and then wring it out to get rid of any excess. Now comes the moment of truth. Brace yourself as you begin to wipe your windows down with the tea-soaked cloth. You'll be amazed at the sparkling results. This simple yet effective method will leave your windows not just clean, but also shining with a fresh, streak-free radiance. The difference will be so stunning that you'll find it hard to believe that all it took was a humble cup of black tea. Thirdly, we introduce a solution for a common problem, reaching those difficult high windows, the ingenious magnetic window cleaner. This is not just an ordinary cleaning tool, but a savior for many who dread the ladder and heights. This groundbreaking tool has revolutionized the traditional way of cleaning by enabling you to clean both sides of a window simultaneously, eliminating the need for a perilous climb on a ladder. Let's dive deeper. It's incredibly simple to use, just as you might use any other cleaning equipment, but with added convenience. All you have to do is apply your chosen cleaning solution to both sides of the window, ensuring they are fully covered. The next step is to attach the magnetic cleaner, an easy task with no complex instructions to follow. The magnetic window cleaner, an innovative piece of technology, is designed with high-grade magnets. These magnets play a crucial role as they hold the two halves of the cleaner together. Even through the thickest of glasses, they remain steadfast, allowing the cleaner to move smoothly across the window surface. This ensures a thorough clean both sides of the window, without any extra effort on your part. The magnetic window cleaner leaves no corner uncleaned, giving your windows a sparkling new look. A great addition to your cleaning arsenal, it's a tool that combines practicality with efficiency. The magnets will hold the two halves of the cleaner together, ensuring a thorough clean on both sides. Lastly, a clever trick for a streak-free finish: newspaper. This may sound unconventional, but that's what makes it an even more impressive trick. So, you've put a lot of effort into cleaning your windows, right? You've carefully chosen your cleaning solution, which could be a commercial window cleaner or a homemade concoction of vinegar and water. You've painstakingly wiped and scrubbed every inch of that window glass, ensuring to cover all the corners. But after all that hard work, you're often still left with annoying streaks, which can ruin the overall effect of your clean windows, and you surely don't want this, do you? At this point, you might be wondering, why newspaper? Well, the answer is simple. Newspaper, unlike many other materials, doesn't leave lint behind on the glass. Now, let's get into the specifics. After you've diligently cleaned your window with your chosen solution, take a newspaper, just any regular one you have lying around, and crumple it up. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. You then use this crumpled piece of newspaper to give the glass a final, thorough wipe. The logic behind this is that the ink within the newspaper acts as a mild abrasive. This abrasiveness of the ink is not so harsh as to scratch the glass, but is enough to provide that extra bit of cleaning power. It helps to remove those pesky remaining streaks that your cleaning solution alone could not get rid of. And there you have it. The final result is this. Your windows are not just clean, but they reflect a gleam that's close to perfection. The newspaper has worked its magic, leaving your windows sparkling. In summary, we've explored a variety of unexpected window cleaning strategies today. We've gained new insights into using vinegar, a frequently found kitchen item, as a green and harmless window cleaner. We've also delved into the remarkable uses of black tea, which possesses tannic acid, to dissolve dirt and give windows a brilliant shine. We've examined in detail the magnetic window cleaner, an ingenious instrument for dealing with out-of-reach windows. And in conclusion, we've learned about the benefits of utilizing newspaper to achieve a streak-free finish on our windows. We've delved into the extraordinary uses of typical household items, transforming them into efficient cleaning tools. We've discovered that sometimes the best solutions are the ones right in our pantry. It's fascinating to see how these simple, non-toxic items can achieve such stunning results. Furthermore, these tips are not only environmentally friendly but also cost-effective, offering a win-win solution for everyone. So the next time you're tasked with window cleaning, recall these hacks. They'll not only simplify the cleaning process, but also ensure your windows are in top-notch condition. Happy cleaning. Happy.